Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create your own fully functioning sensitivity bar that saves and updates instantly. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel. So to start off, you're going to want to create a first-person player. You can create your own first-person player or follow along as I use a very simple first-person player made by Brackeys. For the player, you are going to want to create an empty game object and rename it to first-person player. Then you're going to want to add a character controller. Then add a script and call it PlayerMovement. This is a quick PlayerMovement script that was made by Brackeys. If you want, you can add a capsule for the body. Finally, you want to add a camera. In this camera, you will add two scripts. The first script you will add is a MouseLook script. You should copy down this script. The next script you're going to want to copy down is a script called BringUpSettings. What's happening is that whenever tab is pressed, it calls a function. Next, you're going to want to create a canvas. In this canvas, you're going to create a panel. Call this panel Settings Manager. You should change the color of the Setting Manager to black. Then add a text and rename it to Sensitivity Text. Change the text to Sensitivity. You can add a shadow to make it look better. Finally, you want to add a slider. Set the minimum value to 1 and the maximum value to 20. Now go back into the main camera and drag the slider onto the MouseLook script. Then drag the first person player onto the PlayerBody part of the script. Finally, drag the Settings Manager onto the BringUpSettings script. Now click on the slider and find the plus button under On Value Changed. For the object, drag in the main camera and go all the way down to MouseLook and click on Adjust Speed. To finish off, click on Setting Manager and deactivate it. So as you can see, when you move the sensitivity bar, your sensitivity updates. If you exit and come back in, you will see that the bar saves and automatically updates its position. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe.